Hi guys! So I finally decided to get an air purifier. I got this a couple weeks ago. It's the Levoit H132 air purifier with HEPA filter. I know you guys are thinking there's an air purifier, humidifier, and a combo, like two products in one, but it really depends on what you need. Let's break it down. Purifier is designed to trap the pollutants, clean the air from allergens, dust mites, pet dander, pollens, molds, smoke. It also removes the odors, but keep in mind it doesn't add moisture to the air, which humidifiers do. It increases the moisture in the air, it controls the humidity level in a room, it helps moisture level during dry season, especially winter time, but it's not meant to keep your air clean. And there's the combo, purifier and humidifier in one. But there are things to consider such as features, efficiency, the level of noise, portability, maintenance, and of course the price, because these combos tend to be pretty pricey. Our bedroom, and this claims to work in a room with 129 square feet, but also works great in even larger rooms. As you can hear, it gets a bit loud on a higher setting, so I put it on a lower setting and this creates a white noise. It's combining of low and high frequencies to create a constant ambient sound that helps you sleep. What I like about this is it's very small and lightweight, and I can move it between rooms. I know there are other good quality air purifiers, but I am sold with its true HEPA filter. It has the same true HEPA filter with the other expensive brands on the market, and I notice it improves the indoor air quality and changes the quality of our sleep. Okay, so depending on the usage, you gotta replace the filter every 6 to 8 months. Better clean that filter compartment once a month to keep it running efficiently. So if you're planning to buy one, it really depends on what you need and your budget. I am one happy customer here.